Next morning, Rusty left Duncan to find his own coaches. Duncan snorted and banged about the yard, then clattered crossly to the station. James was there already. "You're late," he snapped. "I know," said Duncan. "It's that smelly Diesel's fault. He thinks he can teach me how to stay on the rails, and then goes off and leaves me to find my own coaches." "You poor engine," sympathised James. "I know all about Diesels. One crept into our yard and ordered us about. I soon sent him packing." Duncan gazed at him admiringly. He didn't know that James was boastful, and sometimes didn't tell the truth. "Send him packing! Send him packing!" snorted Duncan. He climbed the first hill furiously. "Well done, boy. Keep it up," encouraged his driver. They were soon near the first station. Duncan was pleased. Nothing's happened, he chortled. "Silly old Diesel, clever me." And he swaggered along, doing his rock and roll. "Steady, boy." His driver tried to check him, but too late. There was a tearing, cracking, crunching sound. Duncan stopped bumpily. "Sleepers and ballast!" he exclaimed. "I'm off!" And he was.